Implementing strategies for clutter-free workspace. In HR, where paperwork, documents, and various HR-related materials are common, maintaining a clutter-free workspace is essential for productivity. A cluttered workspace can lead to increased stress and decreased productivity. In HR, this could mean overlooking important HR documents, missing deadlines, or losing focus during HR team meetings. To address the issue of cluster, consider implementing strategies like decluttering regularly, organizing HR materials, and digitalizing HR documents whenever possible. For instance, HR professionals can use document management system to store and access HR files digitally. By keeping your workspace tidy, HR professionals can work more efficiently, avoid the stress of a clustered desk, and access HR information quickly when needed. For example, an HR coordinator can easily locate HR policies and employee records in a well-organized digital HR repository. In summary, a clutter-free workspace is a vital aspect of personal productivity in HR. HR professionals can minimize stress and stay focused on HR tasks by implementing strategies for declustering and organizing their workspace.